Let's see at the types of price elasticity of demand. Types of price elasticity of demand are divided into 5 types and they are as follows. First, unitary elastic demand. Second, relatively elastic demand. Third, relatively inelastic demand. Fourth, perfectly elastic demand. Fifth, perfectly inelastic demand. Let's understand the types of price elasticity of demand in detail. First, unitary elastic demand. When a percentage change in price leads to a proportionate change in quantity demanded, then demand is said to be unitary elastic. For example, जब प्राइस में 50% तक चेंज आता है तो क्वांटिटी डिमांड में भी 50% तक चेंज आएगा और दोनों में जो चेंज आता है वो इक्वल होता है. Therefore, ED is equal to 1. Let's understand the concept of unitary elastic demand with graphical representation. If the price of commodity is P, so the quantity demand would be Q. But if the price decreases to P1, so the quantity demanded will increase to Q1. Now we will look into the change in price with the change in quantity demanded. So here we will find that the changes in prices will be equal to the changes in quantity demanded. Here ED is equal to 1. Second, relatively elastic demand. When a percentage change in price leads to less than proportionate change in the quantity demanded, demand is said to be relatively inelastic. For example, जब प्राइस में 50% चेंज आता है तो इसके रिस्पॉन्स में क्वांटिटी डिमांड में मोर देन 50% इट्स अबाउट 100% चेंज आता है. Therefore, ED is greater than 1. Let's understand the concept of relatively elastic demand with graphical representation. When the price we have is P, the quantity demand is Q. But when the price changes to P1, the quantity demand also changes to Q1. But here we can see that the change in price is less than the change in quantity demanded. Here, ED is greater than 1. Third, relatively inelastic demand. When a percentage change in price leads to less than proportionate change in the quantity demanded, demand is said to be relatively inelastic. For example, जब प्राइस में 50% चेंज आता है तो इसके रिस्पॉन्स में क्वांटिटी डिमांड में लेस देन 50% और इट्स अबाउट 25% चेंज आता है. Therefore, ED is less than 1. Let's understand the concept of relatively inelastic demand with graphical representation. If the price of the commodity is P, so the quantity demand would be Q. But if the price decreases to P1, so the quantity demand will increase to Q1. Here we can see that the change in price is greater than the change in quantity demand. And here ED is less than 1. Fourth, perfectly elastic demand. When a slight or zero change in the price brings about an infinite change in the quantity demanded of that commodity, it is called perfectly elastic demand. It is only a theoretical concept. For example, 10% fall in price may lead to an infinite rise in demand. Therefore, ED is equal to infinity. Let's understand the concept of perfectly elastic demand with graphical representation. The demand curve is a horizontal line parallel to the x-axis indicating perfectly elastic demand. Here, ED is equal to infinity. Fifth, perfectly inelastic demand. When a percentage change in price has no effect on the quantity demanded of a commodity, it is called perfectly inelastic demand. For example, 20% fall in price will have no effect on quantity demanded. Therefore, ED is equal to 0. Such a situation rarely occurs. For example, demand for salt, milk, etc. Let's understand the concept of perfectly inelastic demand with graphical representation. When price rises from P to P1 or when price falls from P to P2, demand remains unchanged at Q. Therefore, the demand curve is a vertical straight line parallel to the y-axis, indicating perfectly inelastic demand. And here, ED is equal to 0.